doors and hold on to the handrails. The gate link will be departing momentarily for gates 100 to 129.
Orlando and Central Florida have so much to offer. There's a good chance you didn't see it at all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. It's Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. Hope you enjoyed your Orlando experience.
Please hold on to the handrails. When the gate link stops, please exit for gates 100 through 129.
Although we might be on the other side, actually. That's what I see now.
Excuse me.
Yo estoy putting it up under the fucking thing now. Oh no.
There are 8 exits on this aircraft, including 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used for flotation. Please take this time to locate the exits closest to you, keeping in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. In the event of an evacuation, the escape path is marked by luminescent strips on both sides of the aisle to help guide you to an exit. Each exit is identified by an illuminated exit sign. In the event of an evacuation, you're to leave all carry-on items behind and move quickly to an exit. The aisle lighting or exit sign will indicate that you have reached an exit. The cabin is pressurized for your comfort. However, if the cabin pressure suddenly changes, an oxygen mask will appear above your head. 2, use hold down on the tubing until fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and elastic band over your head. Adjust the band as necessary and breathe normally. The bag may not sleep option is closed to mask. Before they put your mask on first before assisting others. In the unlikely event of a water landing, a life vest is located under your seat. The safety fishing card in your seat pocket illustrates the storage location, removal, and use of life vest. Upon direction from your flight attendant, remove life vest from under your seat and open it by pulling the tab of the pouch. Slip over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull the loose end tighten. Do not inflate the vest until exiting the aircraft and inflate by pulling on the red tab. The vest may also be inflated by blowing to the inflation tube at shoulder level. The light on the vest will automatically activate in the water. If you are traveling to a small child, if the life vests are located in the last or right compartment, flight attendants will distribute life vests for children who weigh less than 35 pounds if necessary. Use of infant life vests is illustrated on the safety information card. Please observe the fasten seatbelt and no smoking signs and placards throughout the cabin. Regulations require customer compliance with all. Haven. The local time is approximately 10:30 p.m. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your safety, please remain seated with seatbelts fastened and carry-on items stored until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please check around your seat and in your seat back pocket for any personal items that you brought on board, and use caution when opening overhead bins as items may move during landing. If you require assistance with a wheelchair, we kindly ask that you remain seated until everyone has exited the aircraft so we can best assist you today. On behalf of the entire Avelo team, we thank you for flying with us and we wish you a wonderful rest of your evening. Welcome to Haven.
To the gate yet, please remain in your seats with seatbelts fastened. We have a couple airplanes shuffling around here, so only take a couple minutes and we'll be on our way into the gate. Thanks for your patience.
I got used to the valley. I don't mind. It's always just kind of. I got to work on it. Are you out here now or what? I don't know. I think I'll just call you in whatever.